Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of AI-assisted coding. We're going to use Copilot to build a classic tic-tac-toe game from scratch, showing you just how powerful and helpful AI can be. You can use the AI of your choice. Some are better at coding than others. Let's start by starting Copilot. Once we have the AI up, we will create a prompt. A prompt is telling the AI what you want. Type the first prompt in the message Copilot spot near the bottom. This prompt is to train the AI to use coding. You could just ask it to code, but this will help it to be more specific. I'm also asking it to respond with a question instead of just coding. The AI will respond and ask you what you want to code. Once it has asked you, we will type what we want the AI to do. Type this in the message Copilot near the bottom. We will ask it to code a tic-tac-toe game. I'm adding in so I can play with a friend. This prompt lets the AI know that I actually want it to work. You will notice that the AI created 3 codes because we told it to use 3 codes: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. You don't need to know how to code, but it helps if you know the names of these 3, so the AI won't use some other code like Python. Now that we see it created 3 sets of code, we will ask it to put them all on one page. For someone who doesn't know how to code, you won't know how to work it. Type in the box at the bottom to tell the AI to put the code on one page for you. The AI will reform the code on one page so that all we have to do is copy the code. You can either highlight it or just select copy at the top right. Once copied, we can open Notepad that comes with Windows. Once we have Notepad open, there are other programs you can use, but I simply use Notepad for coding. Again, once Notepad is open, paste the code in. We will go to File and save the page. I will save as tic-tac-toe .html. You will use .html so that it will be able to launch in the browser. Let's launch the program you just created and play a game of tic-tac-toe. As we are playing, I've noticed a couple of things. One is that there is no color, and the other is that it doesn't declare the winner. I would like both of these features. Let's go back to the AI and tell it to add these features. Once back in the AI, type in the box at the bottom what you want it to add, If you notice, I try to be polite. This seems to help the AI. I suppose you don't have to be polite. Now that the code has been rewritten with color, copy it again and go over to the notepad. Highlight what you already have, delete it, and then repaste the new code. When you save it, you can go to File, then Save, and it will save over what was already there. If your browser is still open, simply refresh and it will update. Before we play another game of tic-tac-toe, I wanted to show you the color. You don't need to know coding, but just for fun, these are the color codes for the colors the AI chose. The color is called color in the code sequence. So now let's play a game with the new colors. It's nice to play with color, and notice that we are now told who the winner is. Now let's play with the color for fun. Going back to the notepad and finding the X color, simply type in the color that you want. So for this one, I am typing red. Save and go back to the game browser and let's have another game. But for this YouTube channel, we not working coding, but letting the AI do the coding. You don't need to know code, just go back to the AI and tell it to change the color to what you want the color to be. Once back at the AI type in the colors that you want in the box at the bottom, the AI will generate the added code, copy again, and go over to Notepad. Highlight, delete the code, and paste in the new code. Go to File, Save, and then move to the browser and refresh. We will play another game. Now you can go back to the AI and make adjustments to the code by typing in the box in the bottom what you want. I want to lighten the colors, so that is what I will type in the box. After the AI generates the code, copy the code, go to Notepad, and highlight the existing code, delete and paste the new code. Go to File, Save, and then back to the browser, and have fun playing the tic-tac-toe game you created.